Your word is eat. Alright, mix. Can you spell fun?
Bro, what are we doing?
Alright, so food.
Huh?
Alright, try spelling two.
Oh my god. I just got 291. I just got 291
The next
words
word
per
is
minute.
bad.
Yeah, I just got 291 words per minute. And I was recording too. That's crazy. I almost just got a 300.
Please spell locust equal to fun.
That one out of nowhere, bro. Longest looks side. Bro, I'm terrible on this phone, but I don't know how I got 291. That was insane. Okay, bro, what are we doing? Okay, the ganglioneuralgia. There we go. Dermato, fibroticularis. Ah, bro, I can't type on this phone.
Please spell.
I mean, I can type, but it's so hard. The keys are so small.
Can you spell?
Yeah. I always typo. Bro, what are we doing? Mentarianism. There we go.
Your word is
Fructose bisphosphate triosaphosphate. LES. Renin angiotensin aldosterone. I missed the darn letter. Okay, bro, what are we doing? Randomizer? Is randomizer gonna work? Uncomfortable. Or I can't believe I got 200. Sick?
wrist.
Trapezoid osteoarthritis. I missed the last letter again. I just missed the last letter twice already. Yeah, I'm not even joking. Huh? Yes, the last letter. I missed the last letter twice. 5. Okay, bro. I could have gotten like a billion or something. Name? Okay. Got something. Oh man. I could have had that. No. Ew. Yeah, I just misspelled I. I can't even spell I. Ruby. Go. That's something. Base. Apps. Nice. Okay. So it's not face anymore, it's apps. Alright. I'm gonna do one more round, then I'm gonna stop recording. Speed. There we go.
Park.
Park. Nice.
Please spell
Proof. Proof. There we go.
Can you spell filter?
Volter. What are we doing?